This is a Fusion 360 workspace, and today we are going to make this structure like this. So in this drawing, let's make a rectangle in which one side will be 40 and another side will be 40 plus 20 60, and the height will be 20. Okay, let's create a sketch on the top plane. Press R to select rectangle, or you can select rectangle by here, going here. Let's select central rectangle, and the side was 60 40, 60 40, and the height was 10 mm. Yeah, like this. Let's hide this grid for once. Yes, this one is 60 40 and 10. So with the 20 mm height here from this corner, and 20 from the here, 20. Let's make this one, okay, this cut out 20 and height 20. Select this plane, create a sketch, rotate it like this, alpha line from here 20, and this was 60, so let's create 40 mm, and here to here 20 mm. So E for extrude, select this profile and extrude negative direction, so it will cut down this body. Okay, one part is done. Now for this one, the height is 10 mm, and from here 10 mm, and up to here also 10 mm. So select this plane once again and create a sketch. From here 10 mm 1010, and from here 1010, sorry, 10 mm, and from this upper line it should be 10 mm from this upper line, so 40 from this point. So let's close this profile, and like this. E for extrude, or you can go here, extrude, and extrude in negative direction. So yeah, this is our 3D model.